As the legal battle between the SEC and the crypto firms heats up, a new filing hints that Coinbase and XRP may win in court. The CC's decision to turn down Coinbase's case shows that they have a strong opinion. Ripple has already won cases against the SEC, which sets an example. However, judges have said that XRP sales and exchanges are not securities offers. Even though the SEC made a case, this ruling could make things easier for crypto exchanges like Coinbase. Don't forget to sign up, share, and like. And let's begin. Now we're going up with hurry up. The next important day in the SEC vs. Ripple case is May 13, 2024. We could see May 13, 2024 here. Anyone involved in the remedies briefing sends an omnibus letter moved to seal all materials connected to it, such as bribes, declarations, and supporting exhibits. Parties and any third parties can also file plans to cut down on these products. A letter brief against omnibus letter moves to seal must be filed by May 20th, 2024 by all parties and any third parties. Under the joint plan, the parties would also have to file public shortened versions of all the documents within 14 days of the court's decision on the motions to seal all the documents together. Submitted with respect by Andrew Cesny. That person is not known to me. If, please let me know. That being said, let me put Mark's very important point into context. Japan was one of the places that said XRP wasn't a security, but RCC said that XRP itself was a security, even though the law didn't back them up. Even if a different country made XRP a currency, the SEC said in a lawsuit that it would still be a security. Imagine how cocky it would be for US officials to try to take over another country's government. That's the SEC working, and it wasn't just Japan. Other countries like the United Arab Emirates, Singapore, Switzerland, and the UK saw XRP as not a security key. In all of those countries, I work with users and holders, many of whom had never heard of Ripple, Brig Alleyhouse, or Chris Larsson. That being said, it's hard to believe what a company or person you've never heard of does or says. 75,000 holders from the US and 143 other countries around the world came to me for help. A lifelong Democratic federal judge recommended by Sen, Gilliban and nominated by Barack Obama, agreed with me and my 75,000 holders that XRP itself is not a security and that exchanges like Coinbase don't break US or when people buy it off. Judge Stories pointed to the documents I provided in the case and to the work I did as Naomi Brookwell's lawyer in the Library.com case. Never tell me that one person can't make a change or that we can't beat the government when it gets too big. Yes, we did. The next big win for us against government intrusion and abuse will be in November when I beat an E. Warren. That being said, I do need all the help I can get. Yes, that's what we need to give John Dayton. Next, it will only be a matter of time before the XRP hits a new high for the fall. The final word, integration of banks, the IPO of Ripple and XRP ETFs. This year could be a big one for people who own XRP. What SAC thinks about the court win for Ripple and XRP? There are still new developments in the legal battle between the US Securities and Exchange Commission and the cryptocurrency business. Coinbase asked for an interreligious IPO, but the SAC turned them down in a recent filing. In this case, it shows how the government feels about the percentage set by the previous court case involving Ripple Labs. A sign of hope for crypto Ripple vs. SAC. In its case against the SAC, Ripple Labs got some of its points back in July 2023. Judge Annalisa Torres said that the automatic sales of XRP on cryptocurrency exchanges did not count as selling securities. This difference is very important because offering stocks is regulated by the SAC and needs to be registered. It seemed like the judge's ruling meant that XRP that is sold on exchanges is not a security. The SAC, on the other hand, has taken a different stance in its current case against Coinbase, an American cryptocurrency exchange. The SAC says that Coinbase has been making it easier to trade unregistered stocks by letting people list digital assets on sites other than its own. This goes against what Judge Torres said in the Ripple case, since the SAC is arguing a single case. In its statement, Coinbase's opposition challenges a request made by the SAC, which said that no court has followed the decision made in the Ripple case. This means the SAC probably saw the Ripple ruling as a one-time thing that wouldn't have much of an effect on other cases like the one against Coinbase, possible effects on the crypto business. Legal experts such as pro-XRP lawyer Bill Morgan have spoken out about the situation. Morgan says that if the SAC wins its cases against the other cryptocurrency companies, while the Ripple ruling regarding programmatic sales stays alone, it could lead to a unique situation. Even though Ripple might be able to keep doing its programmatic sales without registering with the SAC, this legal win might not protect the whole crypto business. Crypto CEO points out one event that will be good for XRP analysts of cryptocurrencies are very optimistic about XRP. Some think the price will go up a lot in the next few months. People are feeling good because they are looking forward to the release of new economic data that could have an effect on the crypto market as a whole. If prices goes down, XRP could go up. Matthew Dixon, CEO of the crypto ratings site of I, thinks that the upcoming release of consumer price index data will have the most impact on the price of XRP. If inflation numbers are lower than predicted, it could mean that inflation is slowing down in the US. If this happens, the Federal Reserve might think about lowering interest rates. For riskier investments like cryptocurrencies, lower interest rates are usually a good thing. When interest rates are low, investors are more likely to put their money into these assets because they have a higher chance of making money than traditional fixed income investments. Dixon thinks that this event will be a trigger for XRP's price, which could push it to over 62 cents. Plus, bullish tactical signs make people feel better. Other crypto expert strategy analyses also back up Dixon's view. The price of XRP is expected to rise to $1.68, 8 of a symmetrical triangle that can be seen on its chart. A rise around this triangle could cause prices to go up by a lot. XRP is expected to reach $5.89 to crypto expert Crypto. The analyst points out that since the price drop in early April, there have been 2 bullish candles and 2 bearish candles on XRP's week charts. Crypto thinks it's strong when the weekly closes above $0.87.7. A close below $0.87, the other hand, could mean the start of a downward trend that could change the current price structure. Community belief in XRP's ability to make a big move, a big part of the crypto industry, also believes that XRP will eventually make a parabolic breakout. A recent poll by the analyst showed that more than 60% of people think XRP will not miss out on the current crypto bull run. This strong community sentiment makes the future even more positive for XRP. That's pretty much all the information we have for today's video. If you want to see more, don't forget to follow, like, and share. See you in the next video and have a nice day.